When nature defies the ordinary, nature, in its grandeur and complexity, is an inexhaustible source of wonders and mysteries. From majestic mountains to deep oceans, it manifests in ways that often leave us in awe and, at times, in complete perplexity. Although science has unraveled many of its secrets, there are still unexplained or rare natural phenomena that challenge our understanding and remind us of the vastness of all that we still don't know. These events, ranging from celestial light displays out of their usual habitat to geological formations so unique they seem otherworldly, or even the occurrence of animal rain, serve as a vivid reminder of how unpredictable and surprising the natural world can be. They spark our curiosity, drive scientific research, and, above all, inspire us to contemplate the inherent beauty and power of our planet. This script will delve into some of these extraordinary events, exploring what we know and don't know about them, and highlighting the enduring fascination they hold over the human imagination. Lights in the sky and other curious atmospheric events. Earth's atmosphere is a stage for various visual and electrical phenomena that, while often scientifically explainable, can occur in unexpected ways or have unusual appearances. Auroras borealis, australis at low latitudes. While auroras are generally seen in polar regions, borealis in the North Australis in the south, exceptionally strong geomagnetic storms can push these colorful lights to much lower latitudes, surprising residents of places where they would never expect to see them. The sight of green and pink curtains dancing in the night sky in places like Florida or the Mediterranean is a truly rare and spectacular event. Sprites, blue jets, and elves. These are transient luminous electrical phenomena that occur above thunderclouds at very high altitudes in the mesosphere and ionosphere. Visible only for fractions of a second, they are difficult to observe with the naked eye and were scientifically confirmed only in recent decades. Sprites are large red or orange flashes. Blue jets are cones of blue light that rise from clouds towards space, and elves are rapidly expanding bright red rings. Their rarity and high altitude make them objects of fascination and study. Ball lightning. One of the most enigmatic and rare electrical phenomena, ball lightning is described as a floating luminous sphere, varying in size from centimeters to meters, that can last for several seconds and move unpredictably. Its formation and exact nature remain a mystery, with various theories proposed but none fully proven. Eyewitness accounts are consistently astonishing. Ice circles. Perfectly circular and rotating, these ice disks form in slow-moving, calm waters. They are believed to be created by a piece of ice that begins to spin due to slow water currents, eroding its edges as it collides with other ice masses, forming an almost perfect circle. While not entirely unexplained, their symmetry and rotational movement make them visually curious. Geological phenomena and unusual land formations. Our planet's geology, shaped by millions of years of natural processes, also presents us with formations that defy imagination. Sailing stones in racetrack playa. In Death Valley, California, rocks of various sizes slide across a dry lakebed, playa, leaving long visible tracks. For decades, the phenomenon was a mystery until recent research, using GPS and time-lapse, revealed that the movement occurs under very specific conditions. A thin layer of ice forms overnight, partially melts and floats on shallow water, and light winds push these ice rafts with embedded rocks. Even with an explanation, the image of rocks moving without visible intervention is intriguing. Blue holes. These are large underwater sinkholes or marine caves. Generally circular, they are intensely blue due to the depth and clarity of the water. The most famous is the Great Blue Hole in Belize. While their formation is geological, collapse of flooded limestone caves, their beauty and depth make them spectacular and mysterious for divers and scientists. Basalt columns, hexagonal, pillar-like rock formations created by the rapid cooling of volcanic lava. Notable examples include the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland and Devil's Postpile in the USA. The geometric perfection of these structures, formed by natural processes, is a testament to nature's ability to create impressive patterns. Gates to Hell. Although the name is dramatic, it refers to openings in the earth where natural gases, like methane, have been burning continuously for long periods. The most famous is the Darvaza crater in Turkmenistan, an immense desert hole that has been burning since the 1970s. Its initial anthropogenic origin, gas drilling, does not diminish its visual impact and its unexplained nature for those who see it for the first time. Unusual rains and other biological meteorological phenomena. Sometimes the sky surprises us with something more than water. Rain of animals. Historical and contemporary accounts describe rains of fish, frogs, birds, and even worms. The most accepted explanation involves whirlwinds or waterspouts, tornadoes over water, that suck up small animals from bodies of water or the land surface and transport them long distances before depositing them elsewhere. The rarity and bizarre nature of these events make them a classic mystery of nature. Rains of blood, milk, or other colored substances. Less common than animal rains, but equally intriguing. Colored rains are usually caused by dust, pollen, desert sand, or microorganisms, such as algae, and bacteria, suspended in the atmosphere and carried down by rain, giving it an unusual hue. The red rain that occurred in Kerala, India in 2001 was a notable example, initially attributed to something extraterrestrial, but later explained by red algal spores. Lenticular clouds. These lens-shaped clouds, resembling stacked UFOs, form at high altitudes when moist, stable air flows over a mountain or mountain range. The air is forced to rise and cool, condensing into clouds at the crests of standing waves. Their surreal appearance makes them a visually fascinating spectacle. The fascination and science behind the unexplained. The persistence of these phenomena, even when there are scientific explanations or explanations in development, lies in their appeal to our innate curiosity. Limits of knowledge. Some phenomena, like ball lightning, still defy a complete and universally accepted scientific explanation, keeping the frontier of what we know about atmospheric physics alive. Scale and rarity. The rarity of many of these events and the scale at which they occur, like auroras at low latitudes, make them unique experiences that few people will have the chance to witness. Psychological impact. The unusual and sometimes frightening nature of some of these phenomena, like animal rains or ball lightning, can have a significant psychological impact on those who witness them, generating awe, fear, or even supernatural interpretations. Impulse for research. These events serve as a reminder that nature still holds many secrets and prompt scientists to continue investigating, refining models, and developing new observation technologies. Connection to the natural environment. Rare and unusual phenomena invite us to pay more attention to our environment, to appreciate the complexity of natural systems, and to recognize the beauty that can arise from the planet's most elemental forces. The enduring magic of the natural world. Unexplained or rare natural phenomena are a testament to nature's infinite capacity to surprise us and challenge our perceptions. From celestial dances to moving rocks and bizarre rains, these events remind us that our planet is a place of continuous dynamism and mystery. They invite us to look at the sky and the earth with a renewed sense of wonder, to question what we see, and to seek understanding, even when answers are elusive. Above all, these phenomena reinforce the intrinsic beauty and overwhelming power of the natural world. With each new discovery, each mystery unraveled, we are reminded that Earth is a home full of wonders that continue to inspire curiosity and respect for nature's strength and unpredictability. The quest to understand the inexplicable is, in itself, a part of our own nature.